A very good morning to all the children of class 4 and welcome to your English language class. This is your Shatabdi ma'am and we were doing nouns and kinds of nouns. We have seen what are nouns and we have seen the different kinds of nouns. Today children, we will be starting with the last part of the noun, kinds of noun, that is the abstract noun. So today children, we will be seeing what is an abstract noun. Okay, so let's begin and let's see what are abstract nouns. So abstract nouns are, number one, opposite of concrete noun. Opposite of concrete noun. What are concrete nouns? The name of place, person, animal, things. The things which are visible in our eyes are called concrete nouns. An abstract noun can only be thought or felt. So it can be only we can think about it or we can feel about it. An abstract noun cannot be seen or touched. It cannot be seen with our own eyes or it can't be touched. So abstract noun can only be felt and it is not the opposite of concrete nouns. For examples, ideas, thought, happiness is a feeling, an idea is a thought. We can also see or define abstract noun with quality, action and state of being. So let's see what are these. Like kindness is the quality, cheerfulness is also the quality, laughter, anger is the action, state of being is the beauty. So let's see few more examples in the sentences. She tries not to show her anger. So anger is the abstract noun. We should not lose faith in any situation. This is also an abstract noun. They awarded for her honesty. Honesty is an abstract noun. We should believe in equality. Equality is an abstract noun. Babies have lot of curiosity. Curiosity is abstract noun. So children, we have seen that abstract nouns are nouns which can only be felt and which can only be thought about. It differs from people to people. It varies. The kindness varies. The anger varies. The equality varies. Okay. The faith varies. So abstract noun is very personal and it can only be felt and thought about. So children, we will start with the book lesson in the next video. Before I end the video, there is a list of collective nouns which I have got for you. So children, please copy this down or you can save it wherever you want it. Keep it with you for your future use. Okay. These are the list of collective nouns for people, animal and things. I hope this will help you. If any problem to understand, please let me know. I have the answers to exercise H in page 34 and continued in page 35. This is number 1 to 10. So these are the lists. These are the filling the blanks with the helping words, with the help of the words given in the box. The class is studying grammar. Class. Our team won the match. Team. He led the army of soldiers. Army. There was a big crowd at the railway station. Crowd. I have lost my bunch of keys somewhere. Bunch. A flock of sheep is gazing in the field. I saw a litter of puppies in the street. So number 6, flock. Number 7, litter. Number 8, there are very good books in our library. The whole of the crew drowned with the ship crew. The woodcutter put the bundle of sticks and went away. Bundle. So all the collective nouns are underlined. Okay, so that's all for today, children. I hope the video is clear enough to you for you to understand. If any problem, please let me know. Okay, thank you everyone.